Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with explosive catalysts. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering Sable Offshore Corp, ticker SOC, an independent oil and gas company focused on restarting production at the Santa Ynez unit platforms in federal waters offshore California, with extensive leases and subsea pipelines. Major developments this week. Yesterday, December 17th, Santa Barbara County supervisors denied permit transfers to Sable, citing compliance concerns. But today, December 18th, the federal PHMSA asserted jurisdiction over the key pipeline as an interstate facility, overriding state oversight and potentially clearing the path for restart. The market is on fire. Shares are rocketing over 50% in pre-market, trading to around $8 on massive volume, reversing recent dips amid this regulatory breakthrough under the Trump administration. With analysts maintaining buy ratings and targets up to $20 plus, SOC could have serious upside in energy. Is this the turning point for production restart? Comment your thoughts. Buy the surge, hold, or caution. Like for more energy stock alerts, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Go out there and make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. See you in the next one.